Hi, my name is Ram and welcome to Ruby MVC Framework from Scratch course. In this course, we'll implement simple MVC framework in a separate gem. Of course, this framework won't be production ready and I wouldn't recommend to use it at all, so why bother? By implementing MVC pattern by yourself and solving problems along the way makes you much better at understanding how other frameworks which you probably use in your job actually works and what problems authors of these frameworks encounter. So that's a really great exercise to do, and who knows, maybe you will create your own revolutionary framework. This course is not for beginners. You need to have basic knowledge of Ruby, so if you don't, we have great courses on Ruby here on Task Plus Premium, so go ahead and watch them first. Also, it would be cool if you have any kind of a familiarity with any MVC framework, like Rails, for example. So what is MVC? MVC is a pattern which stands for Model View Controller. So here is the simplified diagram of how MVC works in web context. So here we have a client and he goes to some URL. Request comes to the server. An application router analyzes URL, and depending on the result of analysis, it delegates execution to a specific controller class. The responsibility of the controller class is to tell model what it needs, and then the result of this request, this data here, passed to the view. And this view will display it to the end user. So the controller is like a mediator. It just tells what it wants, and models do all the job. So the responsibility of the model is to implement business logic. So there are 4 key elements which we'll implement in this course: the routing, the controllers, views, and models. So without further ado, let's get started.